Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Okay, so y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how I Bantu knotted. So let's get into this video. Y'all can see I have somebody helping me, and it's my sister Tiara. I cut my hair last month, so it's a little hard for me to part my hair by myself. And now I'm just gelling my hair down with my favorite edge control, which is the Style Factor Edge Booster. I love this because it really keeps my edges laid, like very laid, y'all. Like, I love this edge control. Now I'm going in with my rubber bands that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to be using these to secure my plaits. I'm just going to be parting two more sections for my plaits.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now my sister is just going to be parting the same exact way on the opposite side. I'm going for like this like perpendicular look, if that makes sense, when it comes to the parting. So yes, I'm definitely going to need help with parting in the back. I didn't record me parting the middle section. I got caught up and I ended up freestyling it. But now I'm just going to be adding hair. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store as well. This is pre-stretch hair in the color 4. It's really soft and easy to work with, especially with a hairstyle like this. Usually it's cankalon hair, and like cankalon hair is like usually hard to work with, like, but this is pre-stretched. So if you get some cankalon braiding hair, make sure it's pre-stretched so it'll be easier for you to work with. Okay, before I add the braiding hair, I'm going to soften my ends with leave-in conditioner. I'm now sectioning my hair into 3 sections, and I'm just going to add my real hair into it, the braiding hair. Now I'm just going to braid it down just a little to secure my real hair into the braiding hair, and then I'm going to start twisting it down.
Purchase your tracks today.
I want to go more into detail on how I twist the plait. The method I'm using is the Senegalese twist method. All I'm doing is just twisting the 2 strands individually on like in the opposite direction before I twist them together. Okay, now I'm going to dip my ends in hot water to seal the ends, and then I'm going to get a clean dry towel to cool and dry off my plaits. I make sure I dip them as high as I can so my plaits won't be as stiff when I wrap them around in my knots.
Bite your chest. Kill this beat for me.
Last Bantu not least, I'm going to twist my plaits counterclockwise to achieve my Bantu
Purchase your
knot.
tracks today.
Bite your chest.
Okay, this is the finished look. I hope this video was helpful for ones that wanted to achieve this look. I love this look. This is like one of my favorite hairstyles that I do on myself. The hardest part is though sleeping with these. Y'all, when I tell y'all it's so hard sleeping with these knots, I be wanting to just take them out and throw them off my head when I try to go to sleep. But yeah, please leave comments if you have any questions or concerns. Give me feedback, like this video if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.